Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare linear versus clicky switches. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of each type, helping you understand their unique feel and sound. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which switch might be the best fit for your personal preferences and usage. We'll cover actuation forces, tactile feedback, and audible cues so you can make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Linear switches offer a smooth, consistent keystroke from top to bottom, without any tactile bump or audible click. They are often preferred by gamers and fast typists who value quick, uninterrupted key presses. Common actuation forces range from around 45 grams to 60 grams, providing a light and effortless feel. This design allows for rapid, repeated inputs, making them excellent for competitive play. Clicky switches, on the other hand, provide a distinct tactile bump and an audible click sound, giving you clear feedback with each key press. This makes them very satisfying for many typists, as the feedback can improve accuracy and reduce errors. Actuation forces typically range from 50 grams to 65 grams. The satisfying click and feel confirm that your input has registered, which is a key benefit for those who enjoy a more pronounced typing experience. So, which switch is better? Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and your primary use case. If you prioritize speed and a smooth feel, linear switches might be for you. If you enjoy tactile feedback and an audible click for typing accuracy, clicky switches could be your ideal choice. We highly recommend trying out different switch types to discover what truly feels best for your fingers and ears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.